Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Webex account using your Google account right from your computer. This is a quick and easy way to get started without filling out long forms. First, open your browser and go to webex.com. Once the page loads, click on the Start for Free button at the top of the screen. On the Sign Up page, click Continue with Google. A pop-up window will appear showing your Google accounts. Just select the Google account you want to use. If it's not listed, click Use Another Account and sign in with your Google email and password. After that, Webex will ask you to enter your name. Just type in your first and last name, then click Continue. Next, you'll see a message asking if you want to download the Webex app or continue in your browser. If you don't want to install anything, choose Continue in this browser. And that's it. Your Webex account is created, and you'll be taken straight to your meeting dashboard where you can start or join meetings, schedule calls, and explore all the Webex tools right online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tutorials like this.